This summer, you have two choices. You can scroll endlessly, waste time, and go back to school the same person, or you can start your summer arc and return as a completely upgraded version of yourself. So the question is, which one are you choosing? Imagine this. It's the first day after summer vacation. Everyone looks the same. But you're more confident, more focused, more disciplined. People start asking, bro, what did you do this summer? And you just smile. A summer arc is a self-improvement phase. It's when you use your free time to level up your mind-body skills, not for others, but for yourself. Think of it like becoming the main character of your own story. First step, control your day. Wake up early, even if it's hard. Start your morning without your phone. No scrolling, no distractions. Instead, drink water, do light exercise. Plan your day. If you win your morning, you win your day. Summer is not for wasting your brain. Study 1 to 2 hours daily. Not too much, just consistent. Focus on weak subjects, basic concepts, future syllabus. Even 1 hour daily for 90 days equals 90 hours of improvement. That's how toppers are made. Your body equals your confidence. You don't need a gym. Just push-ups, squats, running 30 minutes daily, and your energy will change completely. Want to stand out? Learn a skill. Something like video editing, content creation, coding communication, one skill can change your future. Don't just consume content. Create something. Be honest. What's wasting your time? Endless scrolling, gaming all day, laziness? Reduce it. You don't need to quit everything, just control it. This summer, you're not here to stay average. You're here to transform. 90 days from now, you will either regret wasting time or thank yourself for starting. So start today. Start now. This is your summer arc. If you're starting your summer arc, comment, I will change, and let's grow together.